Early quarantine was something very productive for like a month. I managed to keep up with work. The process was just refined. I think with all the free time, I got invested in more hobbies, like 300 hours of hobbies. I found new creators. I made a lot of fan art. But most importantly, I grew. Well, not like that too, but I mean as a person. I improved my art. I got out more. I got into a tech school. I tried photography, which I really liked. I got my license. Got my first scratch on the car. Got my first job. Got commissioned for the first time. A lot of stuff. And over this last 410-ish days, I have not been in school. I've barely seen friends or family, but soon things should be changing. Quite a bit. I think I have to thank Vermont for that, because we've handled this year pretty damn well. And I'm excited to see what's going to happen next.